everyone, it's Andrew Howell here from RE/MAX Sarnia Realty. I'm at my newest listing, 5764 Telfer Road. I'd like to talk about my top 5 favorite things about this home. Highlight number 1 is this fantastic detached car-and-a-half garage that's situated in the backyard of this gigantic property. Highlight number 2 is this fantastic in-ground pool. It'll be the highlight of your summer. Highlight number 3 is the primary bedroom with a handy ensuite. Highlight number 4 is this country-sized kitchen, open concept dining area with a view of the backyard. It's very peaceful and you'll love entertaining in it. And highlight number 5 is the quaint country location, yet in the city. Very convenient and offers all the benefit of the country.